Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys on futures. It does look like we are pretty green. Again, this isn't sentiment for tomorrow, but it does look like the futures market is pretty green. US 30 is up 0.1%. US 500, like basically the SPY, the S&P 500 is up 0.17. So it's actually hitting 3840, which is a really good new all-time high. It's 6 points up. And for the SPY, the S&P 500, I think it's around 370-ish. So I think more than likely we can expect a nice rally towards the 380s for the S&P 500. The Tech 100 is also up 0.36%, and then the small caps are like 0.2%, right? But as of right now, we are up. We are really, well, now I don't want to say really green, but we are pretty green for it being the futures market. Especially with tomorrow, us having a lot of sentiment towards the bullish side. Especially, I'm looking forward to really seeing what happens with GameStop, with BlackBerry, and then just kind of overlooking and just kind of having an overview of tech. But I will be updating a little bit more stuff today. I know I haven't really posted all day today, a lot really this weekend. It's been a busy weekend. But I just kind of wanted to update you on this, and then I'll probably update a couple more videos today, just on like what's happened over the weekend, news and stuff like that. And then I will be releasing a TA for Bitcoin today. I'll probably do a TA for GameStop, even though it doesn't really matter, right? GameStop is just going to go up more than hopefully, right? And then also, am I releasing anything else? I think for the most part, I think it's just going to be news. And I just wanted to update you guys on futures. But yeah, futures are green, super awesome. I'll see you guys a little bit later today.